Now I want to put actually want to put a stitching seam in his face, right in the middle. Let me put his head on. So let's do a stitching seam here too, right up the middle. It goes around the back. Okay. So there, I got that stitching seam there. Okay. Put those to the side. I've got tools coming out my ears. Shouldn't need that anymore. Okay. So what's next? Let's do his eyes. So I need a little bit of white, a little bit of blue, and a little bit of chocolate. We're not going to use black, we're going to use chocolate. So to do his eyes, this is the way I do all my eyes, is I do them with a ball, then a teardrop, and then I press them. So let me grab some white. Put that in there. Everything has to be covered up because everything's drying out. Remember, you have to make, you know, each size. I usually do them both at the same time to make sure that the sizes are right. And I'm making pretty big eyes for this guy. So the first ball needs to be about, let me look. Let's see, eyes. Ears, where are his eyes? 5/8 inch of ball of white, 1/2 inch ball of blue, and a 3/8 inch ball of brown. So this is a 1/2 inch. I did say 1/2 inch, right? So it's a ball. Then you make it into a teardrop. Okay, somewhat. And then you press it. You press at the bottom more than you press at the top to make teardrops. And the more you press, the bigger it gets, of course. So I'm just going to do one eye. Let me get some blue coloring because I don't have any blue fondant. So let me go grab that. Okay. And that's going to turn me blue, so I'm going to put a little shortening on my hands. You can use gloves, but if you don't use gloves, then get some shortening on your hands so that it washes off easy. Best thing to do is use gloves, but oh well. This works when I don't have any gloves. So here's the blue, light blue, somewhat light blue. Oh, it was 5/8 1/2 inch is what it was, so that should have been a 5/8 inch. Well, that would be a little small. Okay, this is actually supposed to be 1/2 inch. Let me mix it together a little more. It's a little marbled. Thoroughly mix in your color. Okay, there we go. And again, the teardrop, okay, and then press it to make it nice and big. This was a little small, so we'll make it a little bit bigger. I'm getting old. You can't remember the size of something after you just said it. Boy, that's getting old. Okay, so 5/8. That's better. Then teardrop, there it is, and then press. And what you're going to do is stack these on top of each other. And I want this nice and big, nice big eyes. Baby toys have to have big eyes. Okay. And then this one gets stacked on top.